They've threatened to kill my wife if I don't stop the appeal and all that.
So why don't you withdraw from?
We are thinking about it.
Is it normal in?
It is not. It's absurd. It's unspeakable. You see, and to me, God did that to vindicate me.
I was your for lawyer William Kusi, ya or ya mamma Kosia Sewa, a lawyer Eden Simbia Betuja, Orange FM. So, Wabrana only one more education como, Orange Sunrise, son of dear Tuja, and a watch, let's say, or no crumpono, and check, and she ya, or bury resign, say lawyer ni, Emma Mammy Akosia Sewa, is and say, a bra one more a court appeal ye, was shall see, and who's uncle for, air threaten a yere se umbukuno, into a share. Na ne yire bambo ne ho nsensem dia na ohwe ni mu se obetumi a resign na chese omobambo enso so etumi akoye e de amano no kire se omo hwe na sam na ekọ no na chese entwe yi amfa ama wonom wabra abrantia no ne no twetwe nkomo to na no ene obusa ne se de ekọ akrai high court a wo mo kokọ na se ka asem na court ade atemu nyina bawie na yehu ya ne swasa fralo ya fo nyina asem nsamra na mon compesi ka twetwe de 2 million Ghana cedis within 1.5 hours emra no o se bank bie ne humpo a obetumi enya sesika no e de aba na abrante ne busa ne se na sadie we no etasi wo ye emranim ni no so www wo hu bi kura sada se ebetumi abasa na die we eya de a ewo senka yehwe ne ka ho asem ye partitiru en civil societies no hwe ni mu so meka bi esan se eya de a esi ye no ne hu dwiri no ye nwanwa pa o se ye nwanwa se asama akokot na afa bi a wo mo ka asem wo munya adansie mpomfa ma na wo mo bobodi mpo adansifo bi mo wuwu na wo mo toto papa so na wo mo ankasa de evidence so aba ede wo mo nsem nyina de wo se court hu nyina pepe so ede aba no court se de onhu na asem ka no ono na ne de no ogitum enti ono de no wanwa pa yi no no mo hwe so nkomo de ko appeal threat ene ehun sensem ye bo mo hanya eno so atumi abepie mu nti wo so hwe na yire bambo ene se de ne mesi ko no de a ansha obehwe na wa resign lawyer Kusi ensemo de tudwa no omi enkotie bi mra
threaten will bring your naked nude pictures. Oh yes,
because of your involvement in this
case. They've threatened to kill my wife if I don't stop the appeal and all that. And I said, well, then it means that they are aware that the judgment was bad.
Why don't you think about the safety of your wife? And
I am thinking about the safety of my wife.
So why don't you withdraw from?
We are thinking about it.
You're thinking about it?
Yeah.
Means that it may be possible that you may withdraw from the case.
Why not? Everything is possible.
Interesting. Finally, the way that the matter was dealt with, the injunction on the funeral in Accra, I think Accra High Court also, a ruling was given, and then the judge, we are told that in his office also came back to say an amount should be.
He invited the lawyers. Called them, got the register to go. They should come back.
Is it normal in?
It is not. It's absurd. It's unspeakable. You see, and to me, God did that to vindicate me.
So,
because if it were a normal case, and that would not happen. Such illegality cannot happen in a normal case. It shows.
Do you think there were some hands somewhere?
Oh, why not? How can a judge who has reasoned, in fact, he gave a reasoned judgment, then call back and say that no, within 1.5 hours, do the impossible, raise an amount of 2 million Ghana cedis within 1.5 hours. No bank will be able to assemble that money within that time, so it was an impossibility. Yes. I expected civil society organizations to make comments. You see, after that act, because to me, it will take years to correct that
anomaly.
Yes, because this case has some international semblance, so you can't deal with it as if it's just a local matter. So if the international community hears these things, what are they going to say about us in our judiciary?
Interesting.
Yeah, abusuafo ntolo ya Kusi ne te ne nka no na kwakwa mu no na interview no wo mu bisa ne se adenti na sebi producer that Lumba wo mo hwema ne din no na sebi edimpa ya opede to honom no yemo ho ban na obi a wotime gya ne kunu honom akotena bochi mfie be de wo honom na afei waba se obeye kunu na se womra meye ayie ni ade no se no se gino so oh that Lumba mom na epo ma me akoso asewa na nyema me akoso asewa na epo that Lumba inti no wo mo akasa so tena se no wo mo che se wo mo ye Germany fo wo mo asensan krata na che so mo ye German fo inti sama me akoso asewa etu gina ye bi se ya na ye ne fa ahodie bi na wo pe enye sese bi eniema bi na obepe afom ti we die wo hwehwe na omososo epe enso ko court no ene se fofia nto atano dware abamo no na no se hwe ni mu se enkono nko a beye kuna fisi ono na oni no wareye wo mrakwan so titiru ene Germany na so court si do de ba nyina wo mpede a oni ho asem ka.
There was overwhelming evidence. In fact, the one who spoke, the witness of the second defendant, Olobroni, said that Lumba himself told them that he had married Akusu Sewa under the German marriage, but it has broken down beyond reconciliation. It's different from having been dissolved. You get the point. And the law, you see, probably people don't feel like I do because I'm a lawyer. The law says that. The law says that even if they are married and it has not been, there's not been a divorce decree, they could be apart 80 years. They are still married. That's what the law says.
But some think she abandoned the man when he needed her the most for 16 years. And so she couldn't.
That assertion too was very wrong. And it is it grammar or logic? I am living in my matrimonial home with my wife. We have 3 kids. And we are German. Both of us are German nationals. Then one party leaves the matrimonial home, his country of origin, let me put that way, and then travels to another place, and the court is saying that the one who stayed has abandoned the one who left. Is it possible?
But the court...
Who abandoned who?
But the court,
who?
The court believed that Daddy Lumba was an Ashanti and that he originated from Ghana. And so even though he may have gone through the legal process of attaining citizenship in Germany, it doesn't negate his citizenship as a Ghanaian.
Listen to me. Before you can acquire German nationality, you renounce yours. And we have certificate of renunciation by Lumba.
We do?
Yes.
And you attended that?
Yes, he had to renounce his citizenship in order to acquire the German nationality. And so, by birth, yes. By choice, he's a German.
We ebusuafo ntina amanebo eno no nti ehwe ni mu se asem yi anasa appeal ya akoi lawyer Kusi beto aso ahwe case no anase obe resign na obefoforo so aba abeto aso ahwa ebre ene nkrabia ene bekire se odi asem chi ntenteno a ama edru pempen so sei na ujemu sai ne mudro ebesi aye ma me kwso asewa lawyer Kusi resign obeja ya anase obekoso apelo ya foforo na one no ato aso na so lawyer ni a ogina mu eka asem akosha se waso so ye Ghana ni yetimamuni emrane man ho kwan so no so follow ye ni ka asem de ma no na akofollow ye na lawyer ni eboa no a oso bekum ne yere na wo threaten ni ade a na ye ka ne se ene na oman no ye kɔ ne sei sanse ono so timi follow ya na lawyer ni so ade okɔ huzuku o adwuma wo ye no nti ba sa no a na che se ya ma Ghana no eya ye bibia o fi se di kan kwampo no wose unhu bi da se court aka asem no sa ten aba abeka asem foforo na asem a lawyer ni de tu dwa e wa kai high court no wose na ye genuine reasons how de ebu a atan mu na ne di kan no wose na ye genuine na omo terms be very reasonable se bi na to azumu na so sa akoten ne ba ne de osusu se na mpanimfo bi ensa hyase enti na sa de no esi enti lawyer Kusi sabre de wose anhwe yi a obe resign se lawyer ni ema mame akosia sewa enti Daddy Lumba bema beye bi no akasa na eguso a oje ne ho entere ha no me di that is something kwaku de be ko bia kwakosi bia so yemfa enka me ho me da se makra ho